Hi, I'm Michael Meade and crew chief at Stage 1. I was living in Scarborough before I came to Stage 1, doing bits of everything, worked on building sites, shop fitting. Just by chance I came to Stage 1 through an agency, and about 20 years ago I come here, and once you get here, it doesn't happen so much now, but if you started off in operations, somebody get you into the joiner's shop, you'll be helping them. The next thing you're working in the joiner's shop, or you'll be in the metal workshop. But that's what it was then. Everybody did everything for everybody else. When I first come here, there was only maybe 10 people. So if there was a job going out, all 10 people worked on that job. I mean, I only took that Olympic job, the first one in Athens. That was big. We basically hired another hangar just up the road. We were building in there. And you need to think, well, this is a big job, and you don't think it's going to get any bigger. You only got to look at the pictures around here. You know, the big jobs we don't know. I mean, Athens, I suppose, was reasonably small compared to what we don't know. But at the time, for us, it was massive. My favourite project at Stage 1 must have been Chanel. We did all the test build. We built all the panels in the yard. We fitted them in the yard. Then we took it all on site and fitted them on site. We were out on site in Hong Kong, Japan. We went to New York. And let's say it just looked fantastic when it was done. You were so chuffed that you'd done it. Oof. I've been all over with Stage 1. I've been to South Africa, all the Middle Eastern countries with them, Hong Kong, Japan, most of Europe. Now, everybody likes being away. That's what most of the people are here for, to try and work away, see places that you've never seen, do things you've never done.